Good morning, students. Welcome in Standard 9th. I am Devanand, your English teacher, is going to teach you today poem first from our literature textbook Beehive. So let us see poem first, The Road Not Taken. The poet of this poem is Robert Frost. I would like to introduce about the poet first. Now, Robert Lee Frost was an American poet. His work was initially published in England. Later, it was published in the USA, means United States of America. He was known for his realistic depiction of village life. He frequently wrote about settings from village life in New England. In the early 20th century, his writing is full of social and philosophical themes. Now, what is this poem about? About the poem deals with a very important aspect of life. It is about making a choice. The poem advises that one should make wise choices, as any hastily or fast action of selecting choices can spoil one's future. So there is a heavy mix of symbolism in the poem. Now I am reading first stanza of the poem. Two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Now, last word of first line is wood. It match with last word of third line stood. So wood and stood, these are rhyming words. Like that, both and undergrowth. So they are rhyming words. Okay. Now let us see explanation of this. Before that, see some new words that are given here in this first stanza. Diverge. Diverge means branch off. दो शाखाओं में बट गई. Diverge means divided into two branch. Okay, two parts. Yellow wood. Yellow wood means here old forest, पुराना जंगल. Here long means a long time ago. मीन्स बहुत समय पहले. नाउ यर बेंट. बेंट मीन्स टर्न, मुड़ जाना. एंड अंडर ग्रोथ मीन्स बुशेस आर झाड़िया. नाउ सी द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस लाइन. द पोएट स्टैंड्स इन द डीप autumnal forest where two roads diverge into two directions. He realizes that he can't walk on both the roads together. At a time, a person can walk on a single road. Then, these roads symbolize two ways, means two careers of life. He stands along which road to travel on. He also looks down on one road as far as he can see. He finds that the road has bent in the undergrowth. Undergrowth means bushes. The undergrowth symbolizes the unknown and uncharted world. The poet finds himself in a dilemma. Okay, dilemma means confused state of mind. The poet finds himself in a dilemma as he can't follow what his mind wants. Now, see explanation of second stanza. See the second stanza first. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had worn them really about the same. Now here in this stanza, fair and wear, these are rhyming words. Now here claim and same, this is also rhyming pair. Now see the explanation of this second stanza. The poet chooses the road, that is, means the poet he selects. Okay, the poet selected his career that appears to be less traveled or less pursued. Means he selected such a road which was very less traveled, which was not trodden by many people. He thinks that it has a better claim because it is grassy and needs to be walked on. Having an independent mind and spirit, the poet shifts his stand and finds that both the roads have been walked over equally. Now, here it means that his choice has been exercised by others also. And now, third stanza. And both that morning equally lay in luge, no step had trodden back. Oh, I kept the first one for another day. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Now, here explanation of this stanza. Both the roads lay covered in luge that morning. No one had trodden them as the luge lay free from being crushed by walking. It means the choices in life are not known to him. The poet chooses it as he has in mind to take the first road some other day. It means that both the roads or both the careers have a liking for poet. He, however, has a doubt if he will ever come again to walk on the first road. It implies that the poet wishes to adopt the first career if he is not satisfied with the one he has chosen. It means that the poet has chosen the another road, the second one, which was less trodden, less traveled by people. Now, fourth stanza. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverge in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Now, explanation of this stanza. The poet has undergone the dilemma of making a choice. He has exercised his choice and feels the difference. He shall be telling with a sigh how he took the road less travelled by. It means he chose the career which not many had chosen, and that made all the difference in his life. Either way, he will regret because he made a choice which later proved to be not desirable. It changed his life altogether. In a general way, it means choosing is an inact choosing is an important process and it makes all the difference in life.